Hey guys, Nick with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I want to show you quickly through a 19 SPX by Sea Ray, 2020 model year that just showed up. Beautiful, clean looking boat. Even comes with the trailer you see there. Galvanized trailer with a swing tongue so you can fit it inside your garage. Wide beam for a 19-foot boat. You've got a 8-foot, 3-inch beam. Plenty of space for all your friends and family. And with a 115 horse Mercury Pro XS, plenty of power to get you up out of the water, even tow some of the water sports. You see you've got a standard pylon there. Nice big sun pad off the back. Individual captain's chair, lots of seating all around, nice big sun loungers up front as well even. Coming around to the helm, this particular model has a digital dash display as well as analog, so we've got a 5-inch SIMRAD there in the middle, which can give you chart plotter capability, bottom reading as well, and engine management data. Nice convertible seating there on the port side, either a forward-facing single chair or fold it down and have a nice big sun lounger. Like I said guys, beautiful boat, great beginner's boat, get you out on the water, or just the perfect get around, do everything. If you guys have any additional questions on this boat, please feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My information is right there at the bottom. Thanks.